In this video, I'm going to show you how to link Kaggle to GitHub. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open the notebook which you want to link to GitHub. So I'm going to go to your work over here, and then I'm just going to open up this tutorial notebook I created over here. Then you want to go to the top left here where it says File, and you want to click on where it says Link to GitHub. Now, whenever you do this, you want to click on this button again to link to GitHub, and it's going to open up a new window here inside your browser. Now, if you have signed in already, you won't be able to sign in again. Of course, it's going to sign in automatically, but I have to sign in right now because I haven't done that yet. So you have to type in either your username or email and then your password to your GitHub account, or of course you could sign in with Google or Apple. Of course, sign in with the way you used to actually sign in on GitHub. So I'm just going to go with my credentials, click on sign in. You're going to have to wait for a few seconds over here, and it's going to tell you have to authorize. So what you have to do here is basically select which repositories you want to give access to. So you can over here just basically read all about it, and then just click on authorize Kaggle, and you'll have to wait. You'll be redirected, and there we go. As you can see, it says GitHub successfully linked. And now over here, as you can see, you can then unlink if you want to. And yeah, that's essentially all you have to do to link Kaggle to GitHub. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.